Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you guys saw the video of me installing these new taillights, then you would know that I had to do a little bit of fabrication to this bracket, the license plate bracket. And so ever since I installed these taillights, this license plate has been overlapping the taillight a little bit. So today we're gonna fix that by installing the bracket that Savvy Off-Road makes for these taillights. So you can see here the new bracket versus the old one. You can see I had to butcher the old one for it to fit under here, this light. So this bracket here, it lowers the license plate bracket so it's right there. Instead of using those holes there, it uses that right there. Now another thing to note about this is that instead of using these screws to go right back into these holes with the new bracket, you have to use these provided screws with the nuts, and you have to feed the nut behind the tub back here, so you got to reach up under and put the nut back there and then use this screw to screw it in. Alright, so now with it being completely finished, you can see that all it does is move this down at probably about 2 inches. But without it, as you saw before, the license plate had to overlap the bottom of the light, which just kind of looked ridiculous. And this just makes it look more complete and clean. And I'm really happy with how it looks. So I know this video was short, but I hope some of you found it helpful if you guys did the same mod. Hope you guys like how it looks, and make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.